Yeah, so we'll definitely take that. Yeah. So we put the karanga out the other day. We wanted to collect some items, whether it was clothing, linen, non-perishables, hygiene items for our whānau that have been affected by the floods. I come from Heretounga. This hits personally, this hits a bit differently. So once we put that karanga out there, the response has been phenomenal. How we're doing the clothes, that's how we want the shoes as well. Even though Save Our Babies put the karanga out there, this is not a Save Our Babies response, this is a whānau response. And what does whānau look like? It's whānau hapu iwi hapori. Even ourselves that are not a part or have been affected by the floods directly, this is our way of giving back to our whānau that have been all around the motu.
I can't be there physically to help, so I guess I'm at the next best place, which is here. We actually lost our urupa. The water raised so far that today our people are still missing and unaccounted for. Our marae, the water reached up to our wharenui. Our marae itself has been really badly damaged.
My whānau, they're based in Kahurangi, most of my whānau. They're holding space at the Te Aranga Marae and the Blacksmith Community Centres, all around Kahurangi, all around Heretounga. And they've been on the ground providing these safe spaces, cooking, cleaning, taking stuff out to whānau and, that have been affected. It hits differently when it's your own. Because we know that this is not a 5-minute fix-up job. This is weeks, this is months, and it could take years.
Okay, so these are the dung piles here.
Yep, oh neat.
We've got quite a large amount of whānau in Wairoa. The frustration is growing. There's a lot of worry. A lot of whānau from outside of Wairoa who still haven't heard from their loved ones. Our marae's are being destroyed. Takitamu marae is full of silt.
My husband is Kahurangi, and his mum Ngāti Porou, so we're worried about our whānau down there. Not really clear as such, just know that they're safe, grateful that they're alive. Nice to think that some of what's being done here, the kai, the essentials, will just help them out in some way.
We're looking at heading down to Heretounga on Wednesday, and we'll be stopping along the way and dropping off goods to our whānau from Porangahau all the way up. So in all honesty, if we hit Heretounga and we've got empty vehicles, our job is done. And if we can bring goods back when we head back to Te Arawa and drop them off along the way for our whānau, our job is done. We're looking at spending a week, at least a week there, to help with cooking, cleaning, clean up, whatever that looks like, to give our whānau that have been on the ground doing the do since Gabriel hit. So it's about their well-being as well, our whānau that are really doing it hard everywhere, that are working hard for our whānau.